So guys, for those who were asking about vanocheka uswa kuno kwaseki, remember they gave me their contacts, but I understand I'm not kutora number dzavo, and you keep asking me. Sometimes there's no cremo number, man, you know. So they are here now. These are the people who are cutting mauswa. These are the people who are cutting mauswa. Tanga pano na rukunetsera number yako pana. Doti tangwa kuapa. Usati watanga kushanda. Vanhu vari kunetsera nhamba chero yamomzi iyoyo
yamudhara
yani yamudhara kuti yamomzi
yamudhara ndoinobatika.
Alright, can say padhusi ichi number
0772 405 185.
kuita seiko
sorry
alright
ichi kanganisa dzamanedza date.
Alright,
0772 405 185.
so mazvinzwa guys, ndo vari kucheka, vari kuita lawn mowing panapa because muri kuzoita basa rekundibvunza kuti ndokumbirawo nhamba. Sometimes I don't remember guys, you know, I don't remember. So wherever you are, as long as muri muZimbabwe or even muri kure muri kupi, if you want your grass cut pamayadhi yenyu zvakaitwa pana, muri kuona kuti vari kuita sei? Ndavanhu vachanocheka, unongovabata and then woita sei vokuitrai magic dzacho. Aiwa iribo, aiwa it's okay. Vari kuita magic dzacho. They are the people who cleaned this yard, guys. So I want to show you where they are going to cut. I want to show you where they are going to cut. Remember, they finished cutting here. So now they're supposed to cut here. This yard is big, guys. This yard is very big. This yard is very big. Until where there is that pole there. Look. Oh yeah, they will cut all here, guys. They are going to cut all here up to where there is that pole. They are going to cut it. They are going to cut all here. Oh, yeah. You see, it was like this everywhere there. It was like this. Kwese kuno kuchachekwa uku. They're going to cut all here. I want to show you. Oh yeah, they are going to cut, guys. Where I'm showing is where they are going to cut. Can you believe it? So up to that pole, that's where my yard ends. That's where my yard ends. So this is the road that we used to go and fetch water. They're the ones who give me water, those people. So up to here, they're going to cut up to this pole. So this is my yard, guys. Up to this pole is my yard. It's my yard. If you can see where there are those lots of trees there, that's where we try to dig from Godi. And then takabata dombo. Takabata dombo. Takabata dombo. Aba. pane mugodhi pava zimugodhi. Yo guys, muturi dangerous. Kangara uyu muri very dangerous. Saka chacheka kusvika kunoko. I want to show you where they will end. Kwese kwandikuratidza kuchachekwa uku kweso kwechinja ndofanira kuita is to start picking this grass because ndikuhuda uswa ihwomo, ndikuhuda. Kuhuda uswa ihwomo but wanaiwa manje. You're going to cut oil. Svika pane mwacha uyu. And then woenzanisa kudai so. Svika uko kune mutsudzi. So in ndogomba riya retoilet. For those who are seeing this video for the first time, iri gomba retoilet ratakacheresa chidota toilet. Ratakacheresa chidota toilet. Aiwe. that is the current update, guys. They say to take them about. Mati zotama days mangani. Afunzanje. No zotama days mangani ucleaner. How 4? Nancy day 2. Alright. Let's go. So guys, you heard. They needed 4 days. And today is day 2. It means tomorrow again they will come again tomorrow, and then a day after tomorrow, and they'll come tomorrow and then a day after tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.